Dito ba kayo para manood ng horror game ko? Kung hindi, pwede ko na lumayas. Biro lang! Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala ulit sila nagbabalik sa panibagong video. Kasi narin ko yung Terpini. Well, it's a Russian accent. I don't know if tama. Like yung pagkabasa sa kanya, Terpini. Like, may pagka-Russian nga guys. Like, Russian. Like, oh! Ganun. Terpini. So, wala ko idea sa game na to. And, yeah. Wala talaga. Di ko alam kung anong meaning ng Terpene sa Russian. I don't know. Well, wala ka tayong ideya, di ba? So, lalaruin ko na siya. Ano pa hinihintay natin? Ready na ba kayo? So, it's the time to play this game! Like, it's a Russian, it is a Russian, I think it's a Russian word. I need to prepare something for dinner. Oh, can open that. I mean, this one. Oh, okay. Okay. F to turn, I mean, to interact. Well, these are complementary horror game flashlight, coat, basura, oh, CR, oh, bathroom, toilet and bath. I mean, toilet lang. What? Oh, gaming chair. You get gaming chair, guys. Huh? Chips of bags of chips. Okay. Wala, ang ganda ng apartment. It's kinda creepy though. Okay, what's the TV? Fans. Huh? Okay, lamp. Lamp. Ano pa pwede natin open yan? Lamp. Our bag. Lampshade. Lamp. Another ring light. Oh, itatapon natin yung basura. I think here. Right, bro. Hello, goods. Well, anong gagawin? Like, ano yung quest? Okay, mas all goods. Nilakasan ko yung, wala bang ilaw? Wala bang ilaw, bro? Hindi ganyan kailangan. Yeah. Yeah. Next, what's next? Lalagay ko siya dito. Turn on the stove. Magpapakulo lang ba tayo? You have to wait until the water boils. Okay. I should tidy up the house after yesterday. Well, yeah. Party. Party oh. Well, mga empty can na pala to. Throw away the bags. Saan naman? Dun ba? I think dun. Kasi na talaga sa isip ko na ako till now. I think here. Hey, throw away the bags. In this one. Let's go. You gotta keep cleaning. Phew! The water has boiled. It's time to add the dumplings. I mean, these dumplings. Let the dumpling boil. Okay, let the dumplings boil. Need to collect socks. Oh, ba't ko tinapon yung socks? Take off your socks. I mean, this one. How? Like, paano natin? Ta 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 ta. Ta 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 ta. Paano siya? Paano tatanggalin yung medyas, bro? Like, oh man. Hindi na alam ko anong gagawin ko. Oh, you mean this? Dito siya lalagay. Like, socks ba to? Okay, take off the socks. Game name. Kalimutan ko. I think the dumplings are ready. Okay, all goods. We need to put food we should eat at the table. I usually eat at my computer. Okay. Okay, nagla-live stream siya habang kumakain. I think. You in here? Okay, all goods. Eat. Okay, eat. Tab to stand up. Like, I think nag-party sila dito. He's running toward. What do you mean? Ah! What the? Huh? He's running toward me. What do you mean? Oh. Move to interact. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Maninilip tayo, bro. Mga kapitbahay natin. Okay. Tama tong ginagawa natin. Pero yan, mali. Okay, can we zoom? We can zoom. Boy! Look at her. Look at him or her. I don't know. Bro. Masaya siya. Oh, those TikTokers. Bro, like TikTokers. What else? What else, bro? What else? Huh? Huh? May kutsilyo ba siya? Huh? Bro! What the freak of this? Bro, ang bilis. Uy! What? What? Okay, may mic indicator. Okay, ang bilis. What the heck? Okay, may mic indicator sa return shift. 8 inning. Okay, bro. Umulit. What the heck? Umulit na naman. And ready for your dinner. Okay, buksan natin yan. I guess yan tayo magtatay mo mamaya. Put it in stove. Well, excuse me, Mr. Door. Oh, Mike. Siyempre naman. I put it on stove. Man, may mic indicator siya, bro. Okay. Until the water boils. Throw the trash, okay, in the bin. Pwede ba natin okay. Asan ba? Ito ba? Ito? I guess okay na. Alam mo yung socks. I guess yeah, ilalagay siya here. Huh? May tumalsik. Okay, close the door. Kasi dyan siya papasok mamaya. Pamirang yan. Okay, ito. Kunin to. Yes, alright. Okay, mga basura. Ilalagay dito. Amen. Uy! Masok ka, bro! Okay, trash. Ilang trash lang kailangan para mabuo yung plastic bag na malaki. Like, bro, di pa puno. Ano yan nasa loob niyang? Baka bangka yan. Okay, put the dumpster. Put it on the dumpster. Good. Okay, may mic indicator siya, guys. So, I think hindi ako makakasalita muna after makapasok nung guy. Okay, the dumplings. Okay, the dumplings. Let the dumplings boil. Okay. I think, oh, ang bilis. What the heck? Okay. Kaya kakainin natin siya dun sa get up dito. Bro, buksan mo yung ilaw. Oh! Shit. Hindi ko alam ba't may jumpscare dito. Tingnan nyo. Oh! Pambira. So, tayo ata yun. Okay. Look through the, binoculars. Look at the binoculars. Yeah, ito na yun. Yung tragedy ang mangyayari. Oh, yung isa nagtitiktok. Kasi yung isang pumapatay ng tao. I think dito siya mamaya. Tama, like dito siya, bro. Wait, tignan muna natin yung nagtitiktok. Kasi ito yun. Tingnan niyo yung sasabihin niya. Natin niyo, Oh, those tiktokers. Okay, ayan, nakita natin yung papatay. Nagtatakbo na tayo agad after. Please, bro. Ano na panoorin? Bro, dito na tayo. Bumanda ka sa akin. Nigripuwang kita. Pamblis nyo, oh. Taragis na. Okay, di na ako magsasalita, guys. Takbo! Takbo, bro! Takbo! Di na tayo lilingon. Please! Come on, bro, faster. Open the door! Ah! I could barely stand when I heard the sirens. It turned out that some idiot was throwing trash out the window. They tied up the maniac and looked him away and just stood up there watching. Pass over, but the feeling of fear. So yun na yun. I guess yun na yun, guys. Like, ang boboso tayo gamit yung, ang tawag doon? Kalimutan ko yung tawag yung time panilip. Yung ganun. Nakalimutan ko kanina. Nandun yun eh. Name yun. And yeah. Habang namboboso tayo, may nakita tayo nagtitiktok. And also may pinapatay na lalaki like tiyatadyakan or ano. Tapos yung habulan pambira naman, oo. May habulan pa talaga eh. Tapos may mic indicator pa like it's kind of weird to pass on yung game. Okay?